Not ranking your website on Google's first page. Already spend money on SEO that didn't deliver. Day by day, Google is getting harder with every algorithm update. I am here to help with your SEO need. In-depth technical audit that will ensure that every ranking signal in your property with search engine algorithms. A make plan to install easier for you. Keyword research. Content. Content is king, right? Everyone search keyword. This piece is to line up keywords with caller intent. More, it prioritizes keywords in content silos so that your property sends the right moxie, authority signals to search machines and callers. This will take your SEO to the coming position, and it'll help give a better experience for your callers on point. On-page SEO, a detailed review of your on-page copy to ensure that it uses keywords appropriately. I provide more specialized SEO services, indexing audits, backlink profile audit. Why hire me? I make over superior work to my clients. Get result. Clear communication. I prosper on challenging projects. A working digital marketer with 3 years of experience. Started a marketing career with a web analytics agency and worked as an in-house SEO. Thanks.